Epicflows Production.
Yo, bro.
Yo, Hollywood, where the pan movie star?
Yo, I ain't no movie star, man. Stop with all that, man. Come on, man. Stop with all that. But how's the new year, though? Everything good, fam? Good and everything, though?
Yeah, man, everybody good, man. I don't know things at 30, you know. Me see a dog, a big girl you pose up with my IG, you know. A you name E.G. Georgie. You can't tell me secret, par.
Well, I mean, there's no secret. It just depends on how you approach them.
Listen, approach with caution.
Yo, bro, listen. You gotta approach them with respect. See? You have to approach them with respect.
Brother, respect my middle name, you know. And me and Aretha Franklin Nina too, you know, brother.
Bro, come on. You gotta stop disrespecting a woman when you approach them, man.
Tell me which part of this disrespectful. Walk up to the girl the other day. And she look nice. Me just smile. Look in her eyes and me say, hey, girl.
Stop right there, bro. Yo, you can't approach women like that. Like, you gotta be gentle. What's wrong with you, man? You gotta be soft like a teddy bear, man. That's what these ladies want out here, B. Listen, man, the other day I was at the mall and I seen this fine honey and I had to hit it. But I just couldn't let her know. So I walked up to her. I was like, hey, how you doing? She was like, she's doing fine. Looked at her. I smiled. I said, listen, I like your Sillage. She was like, Sillage? What's that? I said, it's the scent that lingers from your perfume. She looked at me. She smirked. Bro, 3 days later, she was in my house making me breakfast. The way you going about it is not the correct way. You know what I'm saying?
You just tell her, say like her Sillage.
Sillage, bro. Make sure you get it right. Sillage.
Yeah, man. I forgot try that one, the charge. I forgot try that one there. Quick.
Yeah.
But anyway, you're still not charging. I'm married, you know, I touch you there now. So look a bit, Jane. Alright. I'll go on vlog, girl. I'm just there upon the thing, you know. Babes, all gone. You good? I like your sewage.
Great.
Yo, what's up, bro? What's going on?
Oh, you tell me say sewage or something good?
Sewage, bro? Come on, bro. That's a dude up on dirty water, brother. Dog, me tell you, Sillage, dog. Sillage.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radekal Epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
I'll go on vlog, girl. I'm there upon the thing, you know. You see me? Babes, I like your sewage. I'll go on. Don't afraid to flip me one.